What's up, everybody? It's C's Get Degrees here again, and today I'm going to be talking about HTML templates and how they help with design for the everyday person and not just the tech guru. So to start this off, I'm going to show an example of HTML that is unreadable to someone who has no experience with it, and this is from Gmail. So Gmail, I think there's 47 different divisions within their HTML for the website for Gmail, so we all use to check our email, which I'm kind of rambling on about. Everybody gets the point. But today, what I want to focus on is not the bad examples, but good examples. So there's a website called W3 Schools. I found it literally just by searching easy to understand HTML templates. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can edit an HTML template. So this example is it's like a food website. So say you want to start your own food blog, whatever, what have you. This is a template that you could start with to make that happen. And I'm not going to be changing the whole website because you'd get the point after the first example. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to walk through the first example and how someone would do it. So here, it's really easy to understand. It's first photo grid. Obviously, that's self-explanatory. That would be the sandwich. So I took the liberty of already having the URL pasted. So I'm just going to switch this URL here, click run, and now we've got ramen noodles, the college student staple, but the text obviously doesn't reflect this. So we're going to go in here and we're going to change it to ramen noodles, the staple of the college student. And then in the subheader below that, I guess they have it as a paragraph. It says just some random text. So obviously we want to change that. We're going to make it a little more appealing. And we'll add just something, a little bit comedic. Click run, and now we have our first photo block is now ramen noodles, the staple of the college student, and the description is, if you have no time on your hands or no F's left to give, put this in the microwave and go on with your day. So I hope this has been informative, and if nothing else, I hope it showed you that HTML really isn't that scary if you're looking at templates and you have a good idea where to start from, because anybody could understand this, anybody could do it. Personally, coming into this, I have very minimal experience with HTML, but just looking at this, I was able to understand it really easily. So thanks for watching. This has been C's Get Degrees, signing off.